Building out your high school resume can feel like a big task, and you may not know where to even start. In this video, we're going to make it simple and walk through it together. If you're wondering how to make a high school resume for college applications, scholarships, or even your first job, we've got you covered. A high school resume isn't just any old document. It's a clear, one-page highlight reel of your academic achievements, activities, leadership, and experience. Colleges, jobs, and scholarship committees use it to understand your interests, commitment, and growth over time. A strong resume can also make filling out applications and writing essays much easier. With that said, let's break down how to format your resume. First and foremost is your contact info. This includes your full name, phone number, and a professional email address. Next, include a brief summary statement. This should be 1 or 2 sentences that highlight who you are and what you're working towards. For example, you might write, "Dedicated high school senior with leadership experience in student government and a strong interest in public health." You'll want to build out a full section for your education and experience. This should start with your high school, your expected graduation date, and any advanced coursework such as AP, honors, IB, or dual enrollment classes. If your GPA is above the national average of around 3.0, you'll want to tack that on there too. This helps colleges understand both your academic focus and your level of challenge. Next, within this broader section, list your extracurricular activities and leadership roles. Focus on involvement that shows commitment and impact. And be specific here. Include your role, how long you participated, and what you contributed or accomplished. Within your experience section, include part-time jobs, internships, volunteer work, or major projects. Use strong action verbs like led, organized, created, or supported, and quantify results when possible. You should wrap this section up with any awards or honors, academic or otherwise, that help showcase your achievements. You can also include a skills section highlighting things like technical skills, languages, writing, research, or public speaking. Once you've built out your resume, take a second glance for a few final best practices. Keep your resume to one page. Use clean, consistent formatting. Avoid overly decorative fonts, and be sure to save and submit your resume as a PDF. Your resume should be easy to read and focused on what matters most. For more examples and tips, check out the full article on Appily.com, and be sure to subscribe for more guidance on college planning, applications, and next steps. You've got this. We'll catch you next time.